G'day everyone, and welcome to this episode. This episode's going to be about our DIY boat loader, how we get the tinny on and off now. We used to manhandle it up there, Elenia and I, but now we got the two little ones. We wanted an easier way, and I didn't like the boat loaders you buy just because they sit too high. I wanted everything to sit pretty low and aerodynamic, and I've heard things about whistling with the boat loaders, plus I could do it a lot cheaper. So I'm going to show you how I did it, and it might work for you if you're looking at doing this sort of setup for your travels. Let's have a look. So this is where all our fishing gear and motor is stored. We've got the crab traps up the back there, spear gun on the roof, tinny mover wheels, they just sit there. I'll show you how they work a bit later on. And this is the motor on a trolley. I'm a chippy by trade, so I actually made this trolley in wood and then took that down, and the steel shop replicated it in aluminium. So it's nice and light. I think this weighs like 2 kilos or something. So to get it out, all you do is come around the back, lift the back wheels over the canopy there until the front ones hit, and lower that down. The front wheels come over, and then you got a motor on a trolley that you can wheel anywhere. So we'll just lay this down here until we get the boat off, and then we'll put it on. So yeah, that's that side. Over this side of the canopy, we've got an esky, and this houses a few odd bits and pieces like crab buoys, cast net, battery. These are back rollers for getting the boat off. I'll show you them a bit later. That's all that's been there. And then up here, where we keep all our life jackets, fish sounder, all that sort of thing. Fridge, obviously that doesn't go on the boat, but yeah, that's where everything is stored in the canopy. I guess I'll show you how we get the boat on and off now. So a few things that might be worth mentioning too. We don't have a boat loader. I integrated it into the canopy when we got the canopy built. So what I did then, I researched what boat I wanted. This is a 3.5 metre Alleycraft Taipan. I researched the width of it, and I got the canopy made so it would sit 50mm inside these little strap hold down points there. So that's how we hold it on, is just with ratchet straps. That was the easiest way, well for me anyway, to do it. And all this is, it sits on rubber, just rubbers up there, and it doesn't go anywhere, it doesn't move at all. So yeah, I guess if you're doing this, our little rack system, I guess, sits on top, and it actually transfers the weight all the way down through the steel, or aluminium even, all the way down to the plate. So that actually sits down on the tray rather than having all the weight on top of the canopy. So I guess if you don't want a boat loader, an actual bought boat loader, and you're doing it yourself like this, I guess that's something to take into consideration when you're getting your canopy built. So we'll take these off and show you how it comes off. So this is getting the boat off. Same thing when you go on. I made these little ropes that at the tipping point of the boat. So all they do is they go into the same little points where I tie the boat down to, and then they go onto the back of the boat. They've got a handle there on both sides. You actually clip it on. Righto, and then you come around the front. There's a little winch sitting up in there. That's what does all the heavy lifting. And then obviously that rope goes to the front of the boat where there's another handle where it lifts from. So all we do now is put these little brackets that I had made up from the steel shop again. They sit in there. Same on this side. Now we're ready to go, ready to get it off. So all you have to do, push the boat back to its tipping point. Should be able to get it from the back. Which is about there. All you have to do then is tip it up. Till that grabs, then let it down. So, the tinny mover wheels, we got these from Rotec Marine. All we do, they sit in the chine of the boat there. And all you do, they're just like a jockey wheel. Clamp them up. Do the same with the other side, and then you're ready to move it around. So to get the boat back on, you do the same thing with the ropes. Attach them up here, here, and the winch cable straight to the front. And then all you have to do is hit the up button. And then you push it forward, tie it down, and then you're ready to go. Put all the motor and everything away. That's good. A few reasons why we did the boat loader like this: save weight, save money, and this suits us. We keep the boat down, our centre of gravity's down. Yeah, that's our boat loader. If you have any questions or you'd like to know more about measurements, any of that sort of thing, where we got things done, hit us up on Facebook or Instagram, because when we were doing it there wasn't too much info about sort of the DIY boat loaders. There's plenty on the ready-made ones you buy off the shelf, but yeah, it's easy. Thanks for watching, guys.